Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Xbox paddles is probably one of the most transformative accessories you can add to your gaming setup. These attachments offer a significant advantage by allowing you to remap buttons, giving you quicker access to crucial actions without ever taking your thumbs off the joysticks. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a casual player, the added control and customization can dramatically improve your performance and overall enjoyment. Number 5. Collective Mind Strike Pack for Xbox Series XS and Xbox One. Introducing the Collective Mind Strike Pack. This is designed to take your gaming to the next level. It's a must-have for serious gamers. Assign any button to the two paddles for faster response. This gives you an edge in any game. It's all about improving your in-game performance. The Strike Pack fits Xbox Series XS and Xbox One controllers. It provides a secure and comfortable grip. Please note that it is not compatible with Elite controllers. Includes powerful mods like anti-recoil and rapid fire. These features help level the playing field. You can dominate in FPS and competitive games. Easily activate mods during gameplay. You can map them to the paddles for seamless control. This gives you instant access to the features you need. The setup is simple and hassle-free. It's an easy way to upgrade your controller. You don't need expensive customizations. What we like. This attachment offers on-the-fly remappable paddles, allowing you to customize your controller for peak performance. It also includes built-in mods like anti-recoil, giving you an edge in FPS games. If you're looking for a simple, yet effective way to upgrade your standard controller and dominate in competitive gaming, this is the one for you. What people say. Fits perfectly on controllers. The paddles seem like they've been designed to be quite flexible, probably to extend the lifespan. I prefer the paddles as I have adhered control-freak grip to my controller, which definitely prevents sweaty controllers and improves grip. Number 4. Collective Mind Strike Pack Eliminator for Xbox. Tired of the same old controller? This device is designed to transform your standard Xbox controller into a pro-level gaming device. It's easy to set up and use. With 4 hyper-response back buttons, you can assign any button to them. This improves your speed and accuracy during intense gameplay, giving you the edge. Custom crafted for Xbox Series XS and Xbox One controllers, it ensures a perfect and comfortable fit. Please note that it does not support Elite controllers. It includes advanced mods like anti-recoil and rapid fire to enhance your gaming skills. These features are designed to level the playing field and give you an advantage. Easily map mods to the back buttons for fast in-game activation. This simplifies complex actions with a single touch, making gameplay smoother. The setup is quick and simple, so you can start playing right away. Just plug it in, and you're ready to go, upgrading your gaming experience instantly. What we like. With 4 remappable back buttons, this attachment provides unparalleled control and customization. It also features built-in gaming mods to enhance your skills. If you like having multiple button options at your fingertips and want to take your gaming to the next level, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Fits perfectly on controllers. The paddles seem like they've been designed to be quite flexible, probably to extend the lifespan. I prefer the paddles as I have adhered control-freak grip to my controller, which definitely prevents sweaty controllers and improves grip. Number 3. Xbox Elite Series 2 Core Metal Replacement Parts. Tired of worn-out controller parts? This component pack is designed specifically for your Xbox Elite Series 2 Core controller. It provides everything you need to refresh your gaming experience. These accessories are compatible with the Xbox Elite Wireless Controller Series 2 Core and the standard Elite Series 2. Please note that it is not compatible with the original Elite controller. Installing these replacement parts is a breeze. Each button and D-pad attaches magnetically, ensuring a secure fit that won't come loose during gameplay. You can easily swap them out. The thumbsticks feature a rubberized top and sides for enhanced grip. The paddles and D-pads are crafted from durable chrome-plated stainless steel. These high-quality materials ensure longevity. The package includes 1 D-pad, for interchangeable thumbsticks, and 4 paddles. With these components, you can customize your controller to suit your play style and gain a competitive edge. It comes with a small black box. What we like. This component pack offers magnetic thumbsticks and paddles, designed specifically for your Elite Series 2 core controller. The easy installation allows you to quickly swap out components for a customized feel. If you are looking to refresh your Elite Series 2 core controller with high-quality, easily interchangeable parts, this is a great option. What people say. The paddles fit well and work great. The metal feels solid and durable, giving the controller a premium feel. Installation was straightforward, and the parts fit my controller like a glove. Number 2. DUXICEPIN metal paddles for Xbox Elite 2 controller. Introducing the DUXICEPIN metal paddles, designed to elevate your gaming. These paddles are crafted for the Xbox Elite 2 controller, providing a superior feel and response. These replacement parts are a perfect fit for Xbox Elite 2 controllers. They also work seamlessly with Elite Series 1 and core controllers, expanding its usability. Featuring 2 programmable, highly sensitive metal back buttons, it allows you to customize your gameplay. You can reset up to 14 button functions, offering amazing button feedback. Built with military-grade construction, it ensures comfort and durability. Simply place the paddles into the correct holes, and they will work just like the original paddles. The paddles remember the last programmed function even when the controller is turned off. If you want to change your settings, simply reset the new program. If you have any questions or need help, please feel free to contact us. Our dedicated support team is available 24/7 and will respond within 12 hours. What we like. This attachment features durable metal paddles and programmable buttons, enhancing your controller's functionality. The button memory function ensures your settings are saved. If you like a premium feel and want to customize your button layout for a competitive advantage, this is the one for you. What people say. Fit perfectly. Work, built well. These paddles have significantly improved my shooting accuracy, making them a worthwhile investment. They fit perfectly with the Elite Series 2 controller and feel sturdy due to their metal construction. However, the longest paddle didn't function well with my Elite controller. Despite this limitation, they perform admirably and resemble the paddles from Microsoft's Elite controller. I recommend them, but remember they're only compatible with the Elite model. Additionally, I used them to replace malfunctioning bumpers on my Elite 2 controller, and I'm impressed with their build quality. The magnetic feature ensures easy installation without any assembly required, and they even come with extra joystick caps, which is a nice bonus. Number 1. Gamepad back button for Xbox One series. This is a back button attachment for your Xbox controller. It enhances your gaming experience by adding extra functionality. The attachment is designed to work seamlessly with both Xbox One XS and Xbox Series SX controllers. It's easy to install and use. You can customize the 4 back buttons to map key functions. This allows for more control and a more personalized gaming experience. With the 4-in-1 trigger, you'll have a more immersive and enjoyable gaming experience. It gives you an edge in your favorite games. Made from high-strength ABS material, this attachment is built to last. It's tough and durable for long-term use. The package includes 1 controller back button attachment. Get ready to take your gaming to the next level. What we like. This back clip button attachment provides 4 custom keys for enhanced control. It is made of durable ABS material for long-term use. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to add extra buttons to your controller and improve your gaming experience, this is a great choice. What people say. String. String. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.